Alright, so I hope this shows up for you guys. Let me get down here. There we go. So I did my story and art project using an app called Pictochart. So what I did was I took the piece of art that I found and I put it on to my Pictochart background with the title and then the artist. So the piece that I picked he just titled it Music Sheet Art, and it's actually a piece of a series. It is not, it doesn't have a specific name, and it's not a famous artist or a famous art piece. You're not going to see this in a museum or anything like that. You'll more likely find it with other pieces in like Meyer. It's not a famous piece, but for me, it was perfect. So, and this isn't a story about me, it's just kind of the story of me. So the reason I picked this piece was because it's very old-fashioned. And I am very old-fashioned. I've been told my whole life that I have an old soul or that I'm kind of an antique. I just, I've always acted older than I am. So that was the first thing that stood out with me, was just this vintage style with the scrolls up in the corner, and this woman is wearing a classic vintage dress and appears to be holding an umbrella, which most, it's a vintage thing. So, and I really liked the style. I really liked that she was classic. Don't mind that. That she was classic and that she has this old soul appearance. So, and I also found that she just looks peaceful. She's got this flower in her hand. She is not standing alert. She is not rigid. She is calm. She is peaceful. She is relaxed. She's looking at this flower. She's found her center. And in my opinion, it seems that she found her center through music. That's just in my mind, that's why it's done on music notes. And for me, I mean, that is my life. I've been through a lot. I've had a lot of bad moments. I've had a lot of good moments, but I've had a lot of bad moments as well. And with that, even from a young age, music is what got me through. There is a soundtrack to my life from the earliest moment I can remember to the current moment now. There is a song for every big moment of my life. And these songs, this music, this soundtrack, it has become me. It's what I live for. It's what gets me through. So it's my center. It's my center. And in this picture, this piece of art, it seems that music is what has brought her peace as well. So this piece it was perfect. It perfectly embodied my life in one picture, in my opinion. And I know that's not a story about, a specific story about me. It's just a story of me, but I hope that suffices, because there really is no better painting for me, better picture for me than this one right here. The artist did create a few other pieces that were music sheet art, but they weren't like this. They didn't speak to me like this. This one in particular is it's perfect for me. So, thank you.